These days, asset-intensive businesses are racing to migrate to the cloud. Projects like SAP S/4HANA have become a competitive priority, needing to be accomplished swiftly and efficiently. Programs like Rise or Grow with SAP provide a bundle of tools to help you achieve this transformation. But there's a critical element that can make or break your success: data quality. Introducing MDO, your modern cloud MDM solution designed to fast-track complex migrations. MDO ensures high-quality data, minimizing the time required for data cleansing and preparation during implementation. MDO supports you through every phase of your SAP S/4HANA journey. During pre-migration, MDO conducts a comprehensive data health assessment, driving data readiness. With MDO, you can run survivorship rules to control what data gets migrated, ensuring only essential and accurate data makes the cut. Our platform also provides data logs and audits, giving you full transparency and control over your transformation. During the migration phase, data can be staged within MDO and migrated on demand. Our self-serve data cleansing capabilities empower your business users to apply auto-correction and manual fixes, keeping your data clean and accurate. Post-implementation, MDO helps maintain consistency by applying the same standards and rules used during cleansing. Our solution enables continuous improvement of your data policies, incorporating new rules and evolving industry standards. With MDO, you can achieve optimized processes, rapid decision-making, and enhanced user adoption, all while lowering your total cost of ownership by addressing data quality issues early. Ensure your SAP S/4HANA initiative is a success with MDO, the cornerstone of data quality in Rise with SAP and Grow with SAP programs. Contact us today to learn more.